Salam, hello! I have new items from my Royal Albert collection. I can't wait to show you. If you haven't watched my previous video, I unboxed my tea set collection. It was a collaboration with Miranda Kerr and they're absolutely stunning. I'm going to leave a link at the end of this video and also in the description box so you can watch it after. They are so gorgeous. So after getting my tea set, I really wanted to have something that I could use every day. So I got the everyday collection. So let's open it. I haven't opened it, but I think it will be great for the summer. And I also got another 2 items to complete my tea set. So let me show you. This is where you put your tea bag or your spoon, and it's called tea tip. And this design is called Joy. I think it's very cute. I believe that the beauty is in the small details where you can appreciate that everything was thought through. I think this is going to be a good, cute item to have in your, when you're setting the table for tea. The next item, I don't remember what it is. I think, oh yeah. This is a tray. This is the sandwich tray. And this is from the New Country Roses. If you remember my previous video, so the teapot and the cake stand is from the same design. I'm not sure if I will really use it for a sandwich, but I could even put the sugar and the cream or some spoons and just use it as like a tray to carry it and just to have your table a little bit more organized. Okay, how exciting! Now the big item, the whole set of the Everyday Friendship collection. It is heavy, so I will try my best. Here's the box. Okay, so let's see what we got first. Now, one of the reasons why I wanted this set, it was because I wanted something that I could put in the dishwasher and something that I could use outdoors in the patio, in the backyard, or in a picnic. So, perfect. This is the creamer, the sugar bowl. As you can tell, this set is a little bit less formal. And it's also microwave safe, so more convenient and more practical for an everyday use. Okay. And here we have the cups. They don't have anything inside like the formal tea set, but they still have the butterflies and the peonies. So very happy, and I also think that they are a good size. The other ones, they are much smaller than this, and I can compare them at them. And here we have the plates. These are so cute. Look at the designs. I think they are also very fun, and you know, if you're hosting or enjoying a cup of tea, and these are just so beautiful. And actually they are very similar, like the colors. I might be able to match with my other, the formal tea set. I love the colors. So here are my 4 plates. And we have the same designs for the saucer. So I believe And this is another teapot. So I'm happy that I have two, because this one I could use like every day, and I guess that's why it's called everyday set, and then leave the other one for more special occasions. The teapot is so beautiful. It's exactly the same design than your teacups. So guys, that's it on this set. So we have the teapot, the creamer with the sugar bowl, then we have the saucers. I wasn't sure how would the saucer look, but with the different color plate, but actually it doesn't look bad at all. And then you have your salad plate that you can use this for an appetizer as well. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see some of my gold kitchen pots and gadgets, I will also link those videos down below. Let me know if you like this set. I'm going to also add the link in the description. I think it's a great addition because everything else that I have in my home is very plain. I just wanted to have some fun and have some of more girly girl stuff. I hope that you enjoy the unboxing, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much. Salam and subscribe.